Digitization, individualization, and decarbonization is at the heart of our design-to-consume process. New market and customer expectations also mean new requirements for companies. Digital transformation presents entirely new challenges and opportunities to the process industry. This creates higher demand for market-specific and customer-specific products. But at the same time, greater emphasis is being placed on sustainability and the traceability of carbon footprints. It is important that data is generated, gathered, evaluated, and used for various purposes on several levels during the end-to-end process. This facilitates data-driven business processes and an optimized supply chain. Digital twins, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, machine learning, blockchain, and analytics. All these technologies work best alongside one another to run Industry 4.0. We show all the advantages and possibilities in our design-to-consume process, using the example of a process industry production. The entire value stream for the process industry can now be experienced. There is so much to discover. How do you meet customer requirements precisely? That includes implementing innovations and an early estimate of costs with the formulation in the design phase. From the conception of a new or improved recipe, we move on to the planning of previews and requirements. But how exactly do you make forecasts more accurate? A complete overview makes it easy to plan and keep an eye on changing requirements, while helping to optimally balance stock levels. What is required to track the carbon footprint before even producing a batch? Guided production, enhanced collaboration, and integrated automated mixing and filling with open standards facilitates production. After going through the complete manufacturing process of a customer-specific batch, we follow the logistics process. How do you complete orders on time and cost-effectively? We show how accelerated logistics processes and the complete utilization of storage and transport opportunities improve packaging and shipping. And we combine operational with experience data to create added value and greater transparency paired with agile and efficient processes. SAP technologies create the basis for every step, and they all work together optimally. Horizontally along the value stream, but also vertically, from the shop floor to the boardroom and back. We illustrate what lies behind so that companies learn what added value they can derive from a holistic process and which technologies and approaches are suitable to their industry and their concept. This way, SAP facilitates the next step towards the digital factory and the future of productivity.